Hi. Welcome to Wisdom to Wealth. You may be surprised to learn that some of the richest people in the world actually made their money during a recession. That's right. While the majority of people despise economic downturns, a small group sees them as a great chance to increase their wealth. In this video, we'll discuss how to profit from the current challenging economic climate and the investing strategies that will make you wealthy during the next recession. We'll go over a strategic approach and investment strategies that could transform the next recession from a period of unpredictability into a money-making opportunity. Prepare to shift your understanding of what a recession means to you. For those prepared to seize the opportunity, recessions can be a golden opportunity. Consider the 2008 recession as an example. It was a terrible economic downturn that brought about a lot of hardship, but it also served as the foundation for some of the most prosperous companies we are familiar with today. At this time, businesses like Uber and Airbnb were founded. These companies not only made it through the economic downturn, but they also thrived and went on to completely transform entire industries, making their founders extremely wealthy in the process. That is the power of a recession. Yes, they can be difficult times characterized by uncertainty, but for those who are ready and have the right plan, they can also present amazing opportunities. Okay, let's talk about a few strategies for generating sizable profits. When the market is generally depressed and stocks are trading for less than their true value, a recession can be a great time to look for undervalued stocks. You can make a sizable profit when the market recovers if you can spot these stocks and purchase them while they're on sale. Keep in mind that some assets have historically done well during a recession. These assets can offer a safe haven or even growth initially, while the majority of people are in a state of panic. First, we'd like to mention government bonds. They are frequently chosen as a safe investment during recessions, mainly because they are protected by the government's full faith and credit. Consumer staples stocks are another option you should consider looking into. These are businesses that produce essentials like food, toiletries, and other daily necessities because even during a recession, people still need to eat and meet their basic needs, making these stocks more resilient. Next, there is gold. Since gold is frequently regarded as a store of value, its value typically holds even when the economy is in disarray. One investment that has worked for the Wisdom to Wealth group in the past is fine art. Fine art historically has proven to be resilient to market downturns. In fact, according to a study by Citi Private Bank, art was one of the few asset classes that produced positive returns during the 2008 recession. Today, thanks to platforms like Masterworks, anyone, not just the ultra-rich, can invest in fine art. After the video, you can check out the website Masterworks to see for yourself that you do not have to be rich to buy and flip art. Contrary to traditional investments, the Great Inflation era saw art flourish while other markets struggled. The cost of contemporary art increased by 20% annually. These are a few investing options we quickly mentioned that you can use to not only survive, but thrive during the next recession. Next videos will be detailing exactly what stocks and art to put your money into, so stay tuned. Keep in mind that it all comes down to changing your perspective and seeing the positive aspects of the crisis. Making money in the new economy, keeping what you make, and making wise investments are key. To start earning money in this rapidly evolving economy, identify your strengths and develop them. Spending less than you earn, eliminating unnecessary expenses, refraining from taking on debt, and finally investing wisely by diversifying your portfolio will help you keep your income. During a downturn, take advantage of low prices by looking into unusual assets like fine art. The most crucial thing is to begin your planning right away. Do not wait for the next recession to begin before you start researching. You'll be in a better position to take advantage of the opportunities that a recession presents the better prepared you are. Please let us know if you found this video useful by leaving a comment below. Share it with your friends and give it a like because you never know who could use this information. Thanks for watching Wisdom to Wealth. Until next time, stay proactive and keep looking for those opportunities.